What's up, guys? Welcome back to their Tuesday vlog day. We have a lot planned today. First of all, we clean the garage. Where'd the four-wheelers go? I don't know, they're gone. We're going to the dump, trashing some stuff. Four-wheelers are chilling over here on the side.
The other one's already driven back there.
But today we have a lot planned. We have something new coming to the garage today, which is gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. Just wait. My car is over there. You didn't see it, but you will soon. Anyway, gotta make a dump run. I gotta go drop a baby off to a babysitter. That's do you vape much?
Hashtag vape life, I'm a vape guy, bro.
But yeah, vape guy. Let's get into it. Oh, snow. Oh, this is interesting. I'm the steering person here.
Trying to push a four-wheeler, humping it. Full force.
This one don't run.
No, battery's dead. And by dead, I mean ultimately dead.
2 KFXs.
No, it's need a turn.
This summer, we're gonna have a lot of fun with those. For sure.
If summer ever comes.
If summer ever comes. Because we still have snow. If you didn't see that. I almost died. Off to the dump.
So that's gonna weigh a lot. Oh, 7 of us. Perfect. I appreciate it.
And just like that, it's gone. Hey, you can see out the back window now. Look at that. We got metal, so we gotta go over to the metal pile. Dump all that. Yeah, this is the metal pile, even though that's a pallet of wood. Doing my part. Yeah. Oh, big Mr. Manly Man here. Holy shit. Okay, we got content. Let's go home. My arm hurts. He just picked up a giant transfer case by himself. Makes a loud bang. And that was the dump. So that was fun. Fix my little thing here. Hey, there we go.
Go home.
Go home. I gotta run to Salt Lake, take the kid to a babysitter, and then we'll be back. Bye. Have a good time. All right, gonna take this little guy to a babysitter. You ready? You ready? Smile for the camera. 3, 2, 1, go! Smile.
A few inches later.
Alright guys, what was like an hour and a half to 2 hours for me was like about a few seconds for you, but he's got the garage clean. I am back and we're getting ready for the big plan we have today. I guess I'll go over here and I'll probably show you guys the call ball. Alright guys, so that's the cobalt. I like the wheels. I think they're nice. I like the offset that it gives the car. But I did install new headlights to it. I've got to install the new fog lights and everything. We're gonna go inside really quick. So my old fog lights were kind of the same. We're gonna drill holes, get them to mount right. They're a little thicker. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna end up drilling holes in each sides for the mounting. The mounting should work, I hope. This is what we're gonna have to try to mount them to. There's the 2 holes that are in there. That should work. That's ideal, that should work. But we're just getting ready here to go get what we're gonna go get. You might know, you might not, who knows. But I mean, we're driving this today, so we'll figure it out. Should be fun. Hi there. Right now, we're on our way. We're in the Duramax. And it's loud, and we got people for days and days. What's up, guys? How's it going? Fisheye. That's why I did the fisheye lens. I bought a kit for my phone. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. Meow. Anyway, we're on our way to go pick up this mystery object. You guys don't know what it is yet, but it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fantastic. Now for some cinematic shots. Just closed it too. All right, guys, so this is the key to success right here. What I'm holding. The reason why I say that is because I told you we're gonna go pick something up. I haven't told you what yet. That's the question. What are we picking up? Honestly, I don't even know. The driver knows, I don't know, but there's a lot of stuff in there, in here. There's some moolah in here that you can't even see because it's folded. It's not the moolah of the flip of the thing. You can see it's inside. But we're stopping, we're getting gas.
Gas?
Sorry, we're getting diesel because I'm retarded and I don't drive a diesel, but we're getting diesel right now so we can, you know, have a happy truck. Anyway. Something's dead! What? What the Gotta love that rush hour traffic. Yeah.
I see it. Now there's so many people going to Heber.
Alright guys, it has been a long day. We're back home and well, that envelope I was holding, I mean he should be holding the stick right now, not me, but yeah, there's a car in the garage now. So let's flip this camera around, get blind by the sun and let you see this thing. Here she is. She does need some work. The guy we bought it from did the
Upper end of the motor.
and we gotta pull it and do the lower end because when we first went and looked at it, we started it. She's got a knock, so we gotta rebuild it, and that's gonna be a fun project. Yep. So we now have a project in the garage. It's gonna be a full-on rebuild of this motor. I mean, he can't even wait. He's already starting. It's great.
With small stuff, come on.
He's starting with the small stuff. We gotta actually tear pretty much all the small stuff that we can get. We gotta pretty much loosen everything, you know, get it ready for when we wanna pull it. Hopefully this Sunday we'll pull it. Cause I mean, me and him work same place, we work the same hours, it's kind of funny. We really are brothers, you know what I mean? We do things together. He's got a Cobalt, I got a Cobalt, it's all gonna work out in the same. But it's time to get crack-a-lackin'. But honestly, I think we're gonna end today's video here. You'll see more of the build and more of the project.
Sorry I didn't talk that much.
He didn't talk that much at all this time, but that is okay. It is okay. We'll get there. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed.
First part removed.
First part has been removed, and the car hasn't even been in the garage for 5 minutes. But see you guys in the next one.